Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to Public Health by Sami. This is the first lecture of our Basic Epidemiology series based on the World Health Organization book Basic Epidemiology Second Edition reference. And this session we will start with the basic introduction of epidemiology, what it is and why it matters, and public health. We will go to step by step through the full chapter across 5 videos, so stay connected. I call this chapter in 5 videos. Introduction. What is epidemiology? The very easy definition: epidemiology is a study of the distribution and determinants of health related states or even and specified population, and the application of this study to control health problems. Epidemiology is a branch of public health that study how disease occur in different populations. It focuses on distribution, meaning who get the disease, where they live, and when it happens, and also determinants, which are the reasons or causes behind a disease. But epidemiology does not stop at study. It's also about taking action. We apply the knowledge gained from the research to prevent and control the health problem. In simple word, epidemiology helps us to understand diseases and stop them from spreading. It's the science behind public health decisions. Key concept and definition: distribution, pattern of disease, who, where, and when. Determinants, causes, or risk factor, health related states, events, or disease, injury, disability. Application using evidence for prevention, control, and planning. So let us quickly break down these definitions. Distribution tells us about the patron, who is affected, where they live, and during what time. Determinants are the risk factor or reason behind illness. An application means using all this information to prevent the disease and protect public health. And the next video we will be explore all of these and such more detail. This was just a beginning, and the next lecture we will talk about key concept in epidemiology and explore its history, how it started and how it became a powerful tool in global health. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, comment your thoughts or question, and subscribe to Public Health by Sami to continue learning. Khuda Hafiz and stay safe.